Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Gala price prediction and Gala news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Gala in 2022. Gala Games aims to set a new direction for the gaming industry by giving players back control over their games. The mission of Gala Games is to create blockchain games that you actually want to play. The project plans to bring creative thinking back to games and give players control over games and in-game assets using blockchain technology. Players can own non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and influence the governance of games in the Gala Games ecosystem. The Founders Nodes voting mechanism allows players to influence which games Gala should develop and which games should receive funding. In addition to buying NFTs for certain games, Gala Games also uses Gala, its own utility token. So far, Gala Games has released one finished game, Town Star, and an NFT collectible series, Vox. Since launching in 2019, Gala Games has grown to 1.3 million monthly active users and sold 26,000 NFTs, the most expensive of which was valued at $3 million. So let's start with the most important news of the past days. Gala. Will the next couple of months usher in an uptrend? In November, Gala rocketed from $0.074 to $0.744 and registered around 1,000% gains in a matter of 2 weeks. Since mid-November, the price has been retracing most of those gains and had established a downtrend that saw Gala plunge to $0.162. However, in the month of February, it appeared that the coin's long-term fortunes could have begun to shift toward the side of the bulls once again. The Fibonacci retracement tool was used to plot the retracement levels for Gala's move from $0.074 to $0.744 and showed that the 61.8% and 78.6% retracement levels lay at $0.232 and $0.162. Both of these levels have acted as significant support in the past month. As highlighted on the chart, Gala has been on a downtrend since December. In early February, the coin closed a daily session above the then most recent lower high at $0.365 and pushed as far north as 39 cents before facing rejection. Moreover, in the past week, the price has formed a higher low at $0.216 compared to the downtrend's lower low at 18 cents. This indicated that the coin has taken the first step to flip the market structure to bullish. The daily RSI has not dropped below 40, which was significant because generally values below 40 are interpreted as strongly bearish. In fact, at press time, the RSI was at 46, which was closer to neutral than bearish. The OBV has also made a series of higher lows in the past month, which showed buying volume has outweighed selling volume despite the rejection at 39 cents. The Directional Movement Index showed that a strong trend was not in progress, and this by itself evidenced that a shift in trend could be around the corner. Conclusion: given the uncertain market conditions on the longer timeframes and the dominance of fear in recent weeks, it could be risky to be confident that Gala has indeed shifted its market structure. However, the slow but steady demand coupled with the bounce from the $0.216 level, which was also an area of demand, showed that bulls have a reason to be optimistic. However, if Gala drops below 21 cents, this bullish outlook would have to be shelved. Next news: EU commits to cutting Russian banks off from SWIFT over Ukraine invasion. The European Union has resolved to isolate Russia from the international financial system, including by blocking some banks from the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, SWIFT, the messaging network underpinning global financial transactions. In blocking Russia from SWIFT, the European Union would block Russian institutions from conducting any interbank transactions with non-Russian entities, effectively cutting it off from the global financial system. The move came days after Russian military forces launched attacks on various cities and military bases in Ukraine, including in the nation's capital Kiev. Italy, Hungary, and Cyprus were initially opposed to the move, but expressed support for it on Friday and Saturday. Meanwhile, Germany is in favor of targeted and functional restrictions on Russia. The European Commission formalized this support later Saturday in a public statement attributed to the EC, France, Germany, Italy, UK, Canada and US. We commit to ensuring that selected Russian banks are removed from the SWIFT messaging system. This will ensure ILV and Gala on the site. As these new tokens have been added, users can enjoy promotional interest rates of 25%, 30% APR for the first month, after which the rate will return to the usual 3%. The tokens are expected to fit right in with the roster of cryptos that uHodler already has, but also help the transition to WEB3 and all that comes with it. Metaverses are already conceptually connected to cryptocurrencies, and thus, it makes sense that many are developing their own native tokens. Those who use metaverses are already likely open to the idea of cryptocurrency, and the intertwining of the two should be seamless. When it comes to lending, metaverses represent another stage that is more convenient for users and more innovative overall. In terms of collateral, metaverse assets can easily be used, especially when compared to tangible assets that exist outside of the metaverse. Platforms like uHodler have clearly shown that loans backed by digital assets can be executed easily, and as more Web3 and metaverse platforms are used, this is only going to become more prominent. After all, if people are buying virtual assets within metaverses the way they do in the real world, why can't they take out loans while using these assets as collateral? What uHodler is doing is setting the framework for this, and once metaverse loans are fully established, the transition will be seamless for users. If you are looking for Gala price forecasts for 2022, 2025 and 2030, then you have come to the right place. We will share some of the most anticipated questions that seriously require attention and accurate answers. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Gala a good investment? How much will Gala cost in 2025? Or how much will Gala cost in the next 10 years? Gala price prediction 2022. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Gala could cross 33 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2022. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2022 will be around 28 cents. Gala course prediction 2023. Gala will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Gala course will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2023, the Gala rate will be almost 38 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 47 cents. Gala the average price forecast for the end of 2023 could be around 40 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Gala course forecast 2024. Galas have great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Gala, the price could rise much higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of 67 cents. Gala is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of 55 cents, a minimum price of 53 cents, and a maximum price of 67 cents. Gala rate forecast 2025. It appears that by 2025, Gala prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2025, we can expect the average rate to be 78 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that the maximum price of Gala could be up to 92 cents in 2025. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Gala rate forecast 2026. The current Gala price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Gala could reach $1.32 by 2026, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $1.10 for 2026, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as